Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received a 2022 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. This boat is available. It's located at our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive off Daniel Island. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough just to show you what is included on this particular model. This is the shark gray hull color. Boat has trim tabs with LED indicators. It's powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. The optional ski tow bar, bimini top. There's a reboarding ladder on the port side with a swim platform. The 2 rear quarter seats with backrests are both standard. You have the 2 captain's chairs. There's storage beneath both consoles and glove box storage on the port side console, with also 2 cup holders. The boat doesn't necessarily come with a trailer, but if you need one, we have them available. This is the bow area. Bow cushion, 2 chase lounges. There's storage beneath both of these lounge seats, as well as storage beneath the bow cushion up front. Bow rail is standard on this boat. Here's the helm. We've got a stereo, our digital Yamaha gauges, aircraft style toggle switches, steering wheel that comes with a steering knob on a tilt base, non-skid on top of both consoles so your phones aren't sliding around, windshield with grab rails. And that is a look at Scout's 175 Sport Dorado. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 if you have questions about this boat or any of our others. Thank you.